Hey, welcome back to Between the Keys. This is how to play Sorry by Justin Bieber. The song's in A flat. It goes to C minor and then B flat. That's most of the song. Most of the song is those three chords. Before I teach you and start singing through the whole song, this is a Roland FP-30X piano. If you need one, check out this one. It'll be there in the description and in the pinned comment even, and in the description you'll find my other music gear too. Those affiliate links do help the channel. You can comment with other songs you'd like to learn, request them. You can also give it a like and subscribe to the channel if you enjoy the video. I also have a new piano app out, my first app actually, live on the App Store. It's called Piano Quests. I'll link it and you can download it for free and let me know what you think. Alright, here we go. Sorry by Justin Bieber. This song starts with an A flat chord, A flat major to C minor, and B flat major. Doodle-doo-doo-doo, doodle-doo-doo-doo. That's the intro, right? Doodle-doo-doo-doo, doodle-doo-doo-doo. That's your kind of melody you hear at the start on a synth. Something like that. And it's those three chords go around twice, and then we come in with the verse. You gotta go and get angry at all of my honesty. Three chords. You know I try, but I don't do too well at apologies. I don't run out of time, cause someone call a referee. And I just need one more shot at forgiveness. And we go around again. I don't let you know I made some mistakes, maybe once or twice. Or once or twice I made maybe a couple of hundred times. So let me redeem myself tonight. I just need one more shot at second chances. Right, that's your verse. Going into the chorus, we got the same three chords. Yeah, is it too late now to say sorry? Cause I'm missing more than just your body. Is it too late now to say sorry? And we go to F minor now in the chorus. We're changing to a new chord. I know that I let you down, to the A flat again. Is it too late to say sorry now? To the B flat major. Alright? I'm sorry. And he goes round a sort of a chorus. Sorry. Same three chords. Sorry. A flat, C minor, B flat, A flat, C minor, B flat. 3 times. Sorry, 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 so sorry. We're going to go to F minor again. I know that I let you down. I'm putting the 7 on. If you want to, you can. I know that I let you down. Is it too late to say sorry now? A flat major to B flat major. That's kind of like pre-chorus and chorus, and we're going to go back to the verse. I'll take every single piece of the blame if you want me to. But you know that there is no innocent one in the game for two. I'll go, and you go, then you go out and spill the truth. Can we both say the words and just forget this? Pre-chorus. Is it too late now to say sorry? Same 3 chords. Cause I'm missing more than your body. Is it too late now to say sorry? Cause I know that I let you down. There's the F minor again. Is it too late to say sorry now? I'm not just trying to get you back on me. And it says bridge, but it's basically the same as the verse. Cause I'm missing more than just your body. Is it too late now to say sorry? Cause I know that I let you down. Is it too late to say sorry now? And then this chorus again. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. 3 times. Know that I let you down. Is it too late to say sorry now? And that chorus goes around twice. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Is it too late to say sorry now? Sorry, you know that I let you down. Is it too late to say sorry now? And that is the whole song for Sorry by Justin Bieber. How did we do? 5 minutes and 20 seconds. Well, alright. Once again, this is the Roland FP-30X. You can find the link to it in the description and the pinned comment. If you enjoyed the video, like and subscribe. Check out my new app, Piano Quests, and comment if you have requests for other songs. I will see you in the next one, hopefully, and cheers.